Many of the time, all what people know about is just work hard, make money, and then they spend the money. Today, I'm going to tell you 4 things you should do with your money. Number one, save money. You should not be a person that just work hard and make money and spend it, and the cycle just continue that way. You have to learn to be able to save part of the money you earn. You can decide a certain percentage of the money that you earn depending on your income to determine what you put aside as savings. But the important thing is that as you work hard, as you earn money, don't spend all the money. Learn to save money. If you don't have savings, if situations arrive, if circumstances arrive, there will be nothing to fall back on. So the first thing after you're working hard, you're earning money, is to save part of the money you make. Don't spend all your money. It can be 5% that you decide to put aside, depending on your income. It can be 10%, it can be 50%. It should be based on your income, and you are the only one that can decide that. But the important thing is that sit down, look at your income, and decide that you will put certain amount of money away as part into a savings account or as savings. It's best decided if it's in percentage. If it's 5%, you know 5% of your money goes into savings. If it's 10%, you know 10% of your money goes into savings. If it's 15%, you know it goes into savings. If your income is relatively low, you can start with a very small percentage, and as your income grows, you can increase the amount that you put away as savings. What saving does for you is that in difficult time, in situations that you do not plan for, you have something to fall back on. And that is where the idea of emergency fund that you probably have heard about comes about. The emergency fund is like a savings that you put away that can cover your monthly expenses for an average of between 3 months to 6 months. Have something saved away. But it's not just for an emergency fund alone. You need savings as part of your life to be able to have something to fall back on or something to use as a leverage, as an opportunity to buy opportunities when they arise in the future. So the first thing is that as you work hard, as you earn money, save money. Don't spend on your money. If that's what you have been doing before, today sit down, decide what percentage of your income you will be saving every month and automate the process. You can set a standing order on your account so that from the account in which your salary is paid into, a certain day of the month or immediately after your salary is paid, maybe on that day or the following day, certain amount goes into a savings account and that is kept there. You don't spend this money, you leave it there for the future. So save money. That is the number one point. The second thing you should do with your money is invest money. You know, most of us or many people remain the same financially over a long period of time because they earn money, they spend money, and the cycle just continue. They wait for the next salary or they wait for the next income, but they never invest money. Okay. So beyond working hard and earning money, you should also invest part of your money because investing your money is what the process that will help you to multiply this money. And one of the things that can also support the process of you invest part of your money is when you have savings, you can take some of the money that you saved and you can invest them. Or you can as well directly from your income every month, take certain amount and invest it. For you to secure your future or for you to be able to become financially better over a period of time, earmark certain percentage of your money. It can also be 5%, 10%, or whatever percentage you decide, depending on your income, that goes into an investment. You are in the best place to decide what kind of investment you want to do. Decide that certain amount of money will be invested towards the future, towards better opportunities, so that you are not just earning and you just remain the same financially over a long period of time. Some of the things that people commonly invest money into, especially people that don't have extensive knowledge about investment, is ETFs, exchange traded fund or index fund. They don't require much knowledge about investment to be able to put some money into them. And they have been calculated over a long period of time. The compounded interest on it as you invest consistently makes the money become significantly big. The second thing you should do is, after you earn your money, invest part of the money. That is the only way or one of the most important way to multiply your money. Don't just make money. And as I've said earlier, don't just only save the money, because saving the money usually just keep the money the same way. Or if you just get an interest, it will be a very little interest you get over it over a long period of time. But when you invest it, it can increase, it can multiply, it can grow over time. Savings really don't grow your money. but investing your money grows it. So after saving money, invest money. Don't just earn money and spend it. Invest part of your money. And the third point I will talk about is that make more money. It's good that you are working hard, you are saving part of your money, you are investing part of your money, but it's also essential that you make more money. One of the way you get financial fulfillment is that if your income, your finances grow over time, it doesn't just stay the same. You want to make more money, and one of the way you can make more money is the investment we have talked about. But apart from the investment, you can learn new skills or upgrade your skill. You can move from your current role to new roles that will pay you better. Be willing to do what it takes to make more money. If you want financial freedom, if you want financial security for your future, it's not just enough to work hard to make money. It's important to be able to take steps to make more money. Get a new skill, improve your skill, do a side hustle, do something else that can give you an additional source of income. Those are the ways you can increase your income. If you have been on a particular role for 5, 6, 7 years, you can decide to look for new opportunities in similar role if you don't want to change your role, but that will pay you better. It makes sense if you are doing similar job or almost the same job, but you earn more money. And one of the easiest way, if you are just a career person that works hard, is to job up, to move from a role to another role if you want to increase your income. The job you are doing currently now won't likely increase your pay significantly. They probably will increase it just a little bit over a period of time. But if you move from one role to the other, you can significantly increase your income within a short period of time. I know people that were earning maybe about 800,000 per annum, but just by simply changing from the current role, the job they are doing, to another job, which is similar to what they are doing in the previous organization, and their income increased by 50,000. So increase your income, make more money. It can be by changing your job. It can be by getting new skill. It can be by investment that we have talked about earlier. Make more money. Don't just stay the same. The goal is for you to be able to achieve financial freedom. And one of the things you need to do with your money is that to use it to make more money. So where the money comes in is that if you use your money to invest in new skill, you take time to look for new opportunities, or you invest that money so that it can bring in more money, and then you are making more money. And the last one, which is number 4, is make impact with your money. We have talked about earning money, saving money, invest money, make more money. But if all you do with your money is just make money, invest money, increase your money, of what significance is that? It is important that as we grow in life, as we build financial freedom, we also think about the impact, the significance that we want to make with the money we make. What are the things you can do that can impact the life of another person, not just your whole? As you are becoming more financially free, you can decide to donate certain amount of money, small amount of money, maybe on a regular basis or once in a while, to a charity, to an organization that is dealing with issues that affect the life of other people. You can donate to a cause that will impact the life of other people. Anything that you can use your money to do, that you are not the primary beneficiary of it, but it will impact the life of someone else, that will not be able to directly pay you back. Before I end, I will say it again, the 4 things that you should do with your money. Number 1, save it. 2, invest part of your money. Number 3, make more money. And number 4, make impact with your money. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video.